The Illuminati, or Enlightened US Dollar Bill. Taylor Swift was born on December 13, 1989. The Enlightened Sagittarian Snake Personality. She is my 13 of the Hexagon Star. The Illuminati controls the future international heavenly bank. That is it in the underlying words there. The Illuminati controls the entertainment arena. The Illuminati controls the political arena, promoting a one-world government. Revelation chapter 2, verse 26 to 28. King Jaime Kyogi, the Prince of Principality, will order us Taylor Swift baby. A new order for world order. Taylor Swift birthday, December 13, 1989. King Jaime Kyogi birthday, August 24, 1947. 13 plus 24 equals 37. Jimar Kyogi birthday, July 19, 1989. 37 a star with 19 as hexagon. Taylor Swift birthday, December 13, 1989. Jimar Kyogi, 7 or July 19, 1989. 13 a star with 7 as hexagon. 100. Number 166. Kat Kerr, establish the kingdom in every area of society. There will come a time on the earth when God will have such divine protection over His people. See, in the past, they gave their lives. And in the future, sometime that's going to happen again. But for the season that we are in right now on this earth, there will be a supernatural divine protection put over God's people, especially those who want to go forward with Him and take the kingdom. I'm telling you, and actually establish the kingdom everywhere in every area of society. It isn't just for the church. I want you to know the church is a part of it, and I don't know why people go. I understand that's what they know. And they know, yeah, we're supposed to say the word. We are supposed to actually take dominion in the world in every area, in the business, in the medical, in the political arena, in the entertainment arena. It doesn't matter. We're supposed to be the ones who are rolling in those areas and in those arenas. And it's really our fault that the world's in the shape it's in. A lot of people say, why is evil so bad? Well, it's the believers' fault. They have not been standing up and taking authority and pushing back darkness. But just wait. You're going to see it happen. You'll start to see it happen. Your assignment as a supernatural child of God is to take dominion over this very earth itself. I'm talking about the weather, the way the plants grow, even the way the animals and stuff respond to us in this world that was given to Adam. And he gave it away. But we got it all back. And Christ didn't let anything move him. He moved things. And we're entering into a time on this earth where we will move things for God and move things out and move things in and establish them on the earth. And literally, before this whole thing is over, we will be operating. We will be some of the greatest CEOs on this earth, will be the believers, walking in the supernatural, handling God's finances, lifting operation from around this world, setting the body of Christ free from death, and establishing His authority on the earth through us. God created the United States. At the back of $1 US, this hexagon star is seen. It proved that our destiny, Taylor Swift baby, is to take dominion over this earth to United States and the whole world. You are the 13th of the hexagon star. I am the 7th and 19th. And my King Father, Jaime Kyogi, the 24 plus 13 equals 37. We will take dominion, like Ken Peters and Kat Kerr said. Taylor Swift, My Baby 13. Do you know, we have got so many security guards, and we come from both wealthy families. We have got the security guards from your rich bunker protected daddy in physical realm of physical earth to protect us from bad people. And we have got security guards of angels from my father King Jaime Kyogi in the spiritual realm of spiritual earth to protect us from demonic spirits and their tainted bad people. On the future, I am your husband and we are safe and sound always. My mama's birthday, February 11, 1966. The imaginative Aquarius Horus personality, February 11 Sadio. Taylor Swift, My Baby 13. Why did the deja vu or a dream that happens in reality happen? Why did my mama's dream last night wonderful? Deja vu or that mama's dream happens because God takes one layer of your soul which looks like your clone, and God shows to your clone the deja vu or that dream. My mama was dreaming last night. In her dream, she saw a beautiful and familiar place. The place was full of big, tall houses or mansions. There she saw also tall white people with white blonde hair, wearing white dresses. And there were small teacher people too, 2 to 3 feet tall. Then a beautiful white blonde girl with white dress told Mama to join with them and left her. Then I told Mama that you saw in your dream the angels with white dresses and the principality of Papa, or King Jaime Kyogi that was full of mansions. It was here on spiritual realm of spiritual art. Taylor Swift, My Baby 13 of the Hexagon Star. One of the 9 orders of angels is the principalities, the protectors of religions, guardian angels of cities, nations, rulers. They keep watch over nations and attempt to inspire their leaders to make wise decisions, often depicted wearing soldiers' garb and sandals. They are seen in human form. They provide strength to the tribes of the earth to pursue and enjoy their faith.